Welcome to Value Quest, your trusted channel for smart reviews that help you make well-informed decisions. Today, we are thrilled to present an in-depth look at the best outdoor sheds of 2025. These sheds are not just affordable, they're practical, reliable, and stylish solutions to all your storage needs. If you're on the hunt for the perfect shed to declutter your home and organize your yard, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on valuable insights into the best products on the market. Let's get started. Outdoor sheds are more than simple storage solutions. They enhance your outdoor space's aesthetic, safeguard your belongings from the elements, and improve the functionality of your home. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast, a do-it-yourselfer, or simply someone who needs extra space, the right shed can make all the difference. Imagine having your tools and seasonal items within easy reach, or even creating a cozy workspace. The right shed transforms your yard into a highly functional space. Let's dive into the top sheds for 2025 and see what makes each of them stand out. First on our list is the Suncast Extra Large Vertical Shed. This sleek and tall design makes it ideal for homeowners with limited yard space. Its durable resin construction ensures that it resists warping, fading, and cracking, which is crucial for long-term outdoor use. The vertical shape allows for efficient use of space, fitting neatly against a wall or fence. What makes this shed even more appealing is its easy assembly process. With clear instructions and a design that doesn't require extensive tools, it's perfect for those who want to set it up quickly. Inside, you'll find ample room to store garden tools, patio furniture, and even seasonal decorations. The lockable double doors add an extra layer of security, keeping your belongings safe from both weather and theft. If you're planning to store larger items like bicycles, adding shelving or hooks can help you maximize its storage potential. This shed is perfect for those looking to keep their backyards tidy without taking up too much ground space. It's a sleek, practical solution for modern homeowners who value both style and functionality. And don't forget, all the links to the products we're discussing today are in the description below. If you're finding this information helpful, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this one. Next up is the Vever Portable Shed, a fantastic option for anyone seeking temporary or flexible storage solutions. This shed is lightweight yet surprisingly sturdy, thanks to its steel frame and durable waterproof cover. Measuring 6 feet by 8 feet by 7 feet, it provides ample space for various items, including lawn equipment, outdoor furniture, or bicycles. One of the standout features of this shed is its portability. Unlike permanent structures, the Vever Portable Shed can be relocated easily, making it ideal for renters or those who frequently reconfigure their outdoor spaces. The roll-up zipper door allows for easy access, while the ventilated windows prevent moisture buildup inside, which is a common issue with temporary storage options. Assembly is another highlight of this shed. With no tools required, you can have it set up in a matter of minutes. However, for those in areas prone to strong winds, anchoring the shed more securely may be necessary. Despite this minor drawback, its flexibility and affordability make it a top choice for short-term storage needs. Imagine how you could use this shed for seasonal furniture storage or to protect outdoor equipment during inclement weather. Its versatility makes it a great investment for those who value adaptability. If you need a shed with plenty of space and durability, the EcoJoy Metal Shed is hard to beat. With a footprint of 14 feet by 12 feet, it offers a generous 168 square feet of storage. This shed is ideal for homeowners with large equipment or those looking to create a multifunctional space, such as a workshop or hobby area. The EcoJoy Metal Shed is built to last with a UV-resistant coating that protects against sun damage and a sturdy metal construction that resists rust and corrosion. Sliding doors provide easy access to the interior even in tight spaces. However, given its size, setting up this shed requires more planning. A solid foundation is essential to ensure stability, and assembly might take a few hours or the help of a friend. Once set up, though, this shed offers unmatched versatility and ample room for all your storage needs. Think about how you could transform this space into a workspace, allowing you to tackle home improvement projects or gardening tasks in comfort. With its durability and size, the EcoJoy Shed is more than just a storage solution. It's a backyard upgrade. For those with minimal storage needs, the Corona Outdoor Shed is a compact yet highly efficient option. Its small size makes it perfect for tight spaces, while its durable metal construction ensures it can withstand the elements. The weather-resistant coating adds an extra layer of protection, preventing rust and corrosion over time. This shed's built-in ventilation is a thoughtful feature as it helps prevent moisture buildup and keep stored items in good condition. The ergonomic door makes accessing your belongings simple even in narrow spaces. Despite its compact size, the interior is well designed to accommodate tools, gardening supplies, and smaller outdoor items. It's an affordable and practical solution for those looking to add a bit of organization to their backyard without breaking the bank. Picture this shed placed in a cozy corner of your yard, serving as a tidy spot to store rakes, shovels, and other gardening tools. Its efficient design ensures you're making the most of every inch of your outdoor space. Last but not least is the Aoxon Outdoor Shed, a durable and stylish option for suburban homeowners. Made from galvanized steel, this shed is built to resist rust, weather damage, and daily wear and tear. Its compact size, measuring 6.4 feet by 4 feet, makes it ideal for smaller yards, yet it still offers plenty of room for essentials like garden tools, bicycles, or poolside accessories. The Aoxon Shed features a sloped roof, which prevents water accumulation and reduces the risk of leaks. Air vents ensure proper ventilation, preventing mold or mildew from forming inside. Assembly requires attention to detail, but the end result is a sturdy and attractive shed that complements any outdoor space. Lockable doors provide added security, ensuring your belongings stay safe. Imagine using this shed to store pool equipment or seasonal decorations while keeping them out of sight but within easy reach. Its compact design is ideal for homeowners looking to maintain a clean and organized outdoor area. When selecting the perfect shed, it's important to consider factors such as material durability, size, and ease of assembly. Think about how you'll use the shed, whether for tools, equipment, or even as a small workspace, and choose a size that fits your needs. Budget is another key consideration, as well as how well the shed complements your home's exterior. Once you've chosen your shed, proper maintenance will ensure it lasts for years. Regular cleaning is essential to remove dirt and debris, while inspecting for damage after storms can help you catch and address issues early. Reinforcing shelves, protecting the base, and applying paint or sealant periodically can prevent wear and tear. Avoid overloading the shed, as this can compromise its structure over time. For more detailed guidance, check out the in-depth article on shed maintenance available on our website. The link is in the video description below. This resource is packed with tips to help you keep your shed in excellent condition. Outdoor sheds are an invaluable addition to any home, offering practical storage solutions and enhancing the functionality of your outdoor space. From the sleek Suncast vertical shed to the spacious EcoJoy metal shed, there's a shed for every need and budget. We hope this guide has helped you narrow down your options and find the perfect shed for your yard. Thank you for joining us today on Value Quest. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with friends and family. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to explore the sheds we discussed. Happy organizing, and see you next time.